Lumikit ka na lang, may ilukan. Para mahulog ka. Mahulog ka. Kaya kung mag-verti ka, pikit ka na lang. Ang galing, ito pala yun. Ano na, pikit ka na lang. Imagine mo nasa isang room ka lang. Ito pala yun, oh. Magtingin na lang tayo. Tumingin ka na lang sa likod, oh. Sa likod ka tumingin pag nahilo ka na. Tingin, yan, sa likod, oh. Huwag ka dyan titingin. Baby, tingin ka sa likod pag nahilo ka na. Ayan, oh, sa likod.
The space station is responsible for transporting supplies between Earth and the Moon, serving as our refueling station for exploring the universe.
Kala mo yung nandun ka sa hangin, no? Parang nakasakay ka ng ano? Parang ka nakasakay.
Oh my God! Stop!
Pupunta tayo ng Mars.
Oh, walang oxygen.
Ayun, no? Wala na tayo sa Earth.
Wow, nasa Mars na tayo. Malapit na.
Decoding port successfully loaded.
Parang mahulog, oh.
We should probably head to Saturn next. Our friends are still waiting for us there. Let's get going.
Let's go! Pupunta tayo ng Mars. Bilis nga, nabilis nga.
Saturn's ring.
Ay, Saturn.
The ring of Saturn is the most poignant and distinct planetary ring among the rings of the planets in the solar system. The structure of Saturn's ring is intricate and displays a wide variety of shapes and forms. Once we pass through the asteroid belt, we'll be able to rendezvous with our partners. So thrilling!
Baby, enjoy ka?
Have you seen the cargo spacecraft ahead? They're carrying the second AI decoding core. Let's catch up with them and we'll jump to the Mars base.
Nagsisynchronize yung ito tsaka yung ano.
Maglalanding na tayo.
Ayan naman, natin siya naman tayo.
Finally reached the surface of Mars.
Ay!
Iwan na tayo ng ano. Ay, ang lamig pala sa Mars.
I didn't know.
Ay!
Kala ko mainit.
Ay! Ay! Babagsak yung ano natin.
Mahulog na tayo. Ang galing naman.
Ang layo na natin.
Tayo na natin.
Hindi na tayo
Sa Mars na
makakabalik.
tayo.
Whoa! We're finally arrived safely!
Makakahinga na tayo.
Ay!
Slight electromagnetic interference detected. Decoding core identified. Data transmission to the root server in progress.
This is crazy. Look at it's a solar storm approaching. We need to get out of here now. The magnetic field interference is getting stronger. Our spacecraft is
Kaya mo, okay ka lang?
disruptions. Had to teleport to Mars surface.
Alam mo, tututok.
Jet orbits in disarray.
Oh, what the hell?
Ay, nebula. Igupin tayo ng nebula. Pag inigup na yan, wala na, wala na. So, inigup tayo ng nebula. Black hole.
Could it be that humans are just
Napunta tayo ng black hole.